Okay, so once you're logged in as an artist, the first thing you want to do is complete your onboarding steps here. This is very important if you plan on applying for a gig and getting paid. You want to set up your bank account information here. So these steps will guide you through on how to do that. So the first thing that you're going to do is complete your profile, and then you'll move on to the next step and the next step until you finish all 6 steps. At some point during this journey here, you'll get to a step called apply for a gig. And you do that by going to the Browse Gigs page, which you can find in the nav, or you can go down here to the quick action section and you can click this button here, Browse Open Gigs, and you can find open gigs that you can apply to. So here's a gig here, and I am going to click it and then go down. Here you can see all the information about the gig. Here is where you will accept the offer that the venue is offering to pay for this gig, or you can negotiate. You can also add a message here as well, but you can propose a rate here. This gig is being offered for $122. I can propose a $222 offer. So this is my offer to the venue, and you can hit submit counter offer here. But in this case, I am going to click accept, and you click this button apply at 122, which is the venue's offer. And your application is sent. And that is how you apply for a gig.